Most survey apps fall into two categories. Either they barely send you surveys, or they make the first payout easy and everything after that painfully slow. SurveyPop sits right in between. It works for some people, but the experience changes quickly after the first few tries. So the real question isn't whether it pays, it's how reliable it actually is. SurveyPop is a mobile rewards app where you earn money by answering surveys and short polls. You accumulate points and can cash out through PayPal or gift cards once you hit the payout threshold. The concept is straightforward. Companies want feedback, and you get rewarded for providing it. And yes, surveys exist, and points do accumulate. But consistency is where things become unclear. And if you want to learn why most people never make any real money online and what you can do to become the exception, make sure to grab your copy of The Income Lie in the description of this video. A few short minutes might end up saving you a few long months of trial and error. Go check it out while I'm still giving it away for free. When you first install SurveyPop, you'll usually see several surveys available. The early experience feels active and quick. After a while, that pace tends to slow down. You start getting screened out more often, surveys close unexpectedly, or the rewards feel smaller compared to the time spent. This pattern is common across survey apps, but here it's noticeable because the start feels smoother than the long-term use. The platform can pay, and some users reach the minimum payout fairly quickly, early on. Long-term though, the earnings are low. Even consistent use typically results in small amounts, spare change rather than meaningful money. There's no way to increase survey availability or speed up progress beyond waiting for new surveys to appear. And if you want to learn why the entire game is rigged against the small player and how you can turn that into your advantage, make sure to grab your copy of The Income Lie in the description of this video. Anyway, typical complaints include disqualifications after answering several questions, surveys disappearing before crediting, slow reward accumulation. Some users have smooth payouts, others struggle reaching them. That uneven experience is why opinions vary widely. SurveyPop makes sense if you're already using multiple survey apps, you expect slow progress, you don't rely on the rewards. It doesn't make sense if you want predictable payouts or steady earnings. Most importantly, the early activity level doesn't represent long-term use. Many users judge the app by the first payout, but the real experience shows up after the initial surveys run out. That's when expectations reset. SurveyPop isn't fake. It does pay some users, but it's inconsistent and slow, and you shouldn't depend on it for anything important. Treat it as something casual, and it's fine. Expect reliability, and you will probably be disappointed. If this breakdown helped you see SurveyPop clearly, subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Grab your copy of The Income Lie in the description of this video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.